Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 curls. So go ahead and grab your dumbbells. What we're going to be doing is you're going to hold one arm at 90 degrees and the other arm you're just going to do regular bicep curls. So you're going to do 5 on your right, that's 3, 4, and 5. Then you're going to go down, hold that halfway, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you're going to go other side. We're going down to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Coming down. Get that 90 degree. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do 3 on this side. Come into the side here for you guys to see side view. 1, 2, 3, coming back down, last 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and last 1, 1, and 1. Obviously, you'll be in a little more pain. This is only 10 pounds. I'm just doing it nice and easy to show you guys, but it's a nice little bicep workout there, a little exercise. If you have any questions about that, feel free, leave them in the comments, let me know. I hope this adds another tool to your toolbox, and yeah, I hope this helps. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.